Open your web browser and type pms.weller.ph/enroll. Then select which grade or level your child is enrolling. Select if your child is a new student in PMS, or old if your child is currently studying in PMS. Note that if you select old student, you will be skipping some information needed from new students. Enter your child's 12-digit LRN. Or type NA if you don't know. For high school students, indicate if your child is an ESC grantee to avail ESC payment plans. For grade 7 ESC applicants, be sure you have the complete requirements. Then, type your child's complete name, as written on his birth certificate. Select his gender. Enter his birth date. Click the month and year to change the default. You will notice that the age is automatically computed. Then type your child's religion. Birthplace. And citizenship. Next, enter your current address. Type your house or unit number, street name, and village name. Followed by barangay and city. Then your landline number. The next box is for transfer students only. Type the student's previous school and address. Next, enter the mother's maiden name. The name she used before marriage. Enter her mobile number. Occupation. And employer's name. Next, enter the father's name. Enter his mobile number. Occupation. And employer's name. You may add a country to indicate if the parent or both parents are OFWs. Write the names of your other children enrolled in PMS. The next field is important. The student's guardian could be the student's mother, father, grandma, auntie, or anyone with custody of the child. This is important because it is through the guardian where we will send the student's report card, school communications, and access to the parent's mobile app. You may now upload digital copies of your child's admission requirements or ESC requirements in the next section. You may upload files in JPEG and PDF formats. Just click Attach. Browse to search the files on your computer. And upload. In the next section, you may choose your preferred payment plan for the selected grade or level. For high school students, the payment plans will depend on your response to the ESC field beforehand. In the next field, you may enter your signature using your mouse or stylus. Click Clear if you want to re-enter or delete your signature. The last portion is about the terms and conditions of the Pleasant Mount Schools Data Privacy Policy and Enrollment Contract. To view and read the Pleasant Mount Schools Data Privacy Policy and Enrollment Contract, click the links below. To proceed with enrollment, tick the box indicating that you agree with the terms and conditions of the Data Privacy Policy and Enrollment Contract. The last and final step is to click Save. The registrar will evaluate your child's application form and admission requirements. If your application and requirements are incomplete, you will receive an email from the registrar. Once completed, you will receive an SMS from the cashier for the payment of enrollment fees. For your convenience, use the payment link in the SMS to pay online. Payment will be automatically recorded in your child's account.